Still at the airport. Still don't get the car. Xavier waiting on the car.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle.
My name is Xavier, X-Man.
Xavier is driving for the first time in Jamaica. We rented a car at the airport. And the barbecue chicken, you get a coleslaw. And you drive for yourself and you have to drive with them. A splash. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and we're about to go on the road, but look. Dumpling cabbage. They're very dry. Hey guys. So we're still at the airport. Still don't get the car. Xavier waiting on the car same way. Let me tell him I have to wait an hour. So me and Zaya outside and I wait for him to come out. So that's what I do. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle.
My name is Xavier, X-Man.
Xavier is driving for the first time in Jamaica. We rented a car at the airport. Can I tell you that we come from about 12:30 and we'll never get the car until after 3. Not even after 3, like to 4. So now we're on our way to St. Thomas. We are attending a funeral on Saturday. That's the reason why we are here. It's not a long trip, it's just a few days. Zaya's in the back. We stop at KFC at Abbey and get some KFC and we get, well, 2 Singer bags we get. So Xavier do good so far, but it might irritate me already. So I'm gonna just eat my KFC and then get back to now. So I'm gonna start eat the zinger. You get in the zinger box, you get a fries, piece of chicken. You can choose what flavor chicken you want. I choose the box to be full barbecue, so it's barbecue zinger and the barbecue chicken. You get a coleslaw and that is it. Fries, the zinger and a piece of chicken. I will buy 2 zinger box and it come up to 3,000 something. We stop at Harborview. Reach a yellow spear. It look kinda busy. Please look, pay attention on the road. On the coaster just come out on the man. Instead of across Maddy. The coaster man just come out on the man.
Put on him indicator.
Nothing. Jeez, Sam. No, so I'm afraid that is bad. Policeman there, so and they get a ticket.
Why get somebody a ticket?
I don't know. You just stand up right there, so and I talk to a man, so I don't know if I get the money. I give the man a ticket.
Yeah, Friday, man. Maybe the water.
Yeah, I thought that. Me tell you say one guy stop right on the pedestrian crossing, and so we're there at airport.
Yeah,
The
you know, tell me.
policeman give him a ticket.
Right in front of the police
Right
station.
in front of the police station. He stop on the pedestrian crossing.
On the road up. You see that?
Shop or one bar or something like that. So might be that's why them park this one.
I'm on the road. Man, I take up people from the opposite side. You see that?
Mind the dog run out on the road.
Nah, like the road nice. I like it. See this?
Yeah, if you watch, as Rashid always say, if you drive for yourself and if you drive for them. Watch ya.
Can't wait.
The on. No, sir.
time. When you see them come, not because they have the right away, they have to watch them.
Yeah, if you drive for yourself and you have to drive for them.
How you are going to escape it because...
Yellow Pond.
Man, they're serious. Where you going to sleep now?
I'm going to give him something else to eat. Guys, I forgot to come back and give an update or anything. But it is now 10:07 and I'm eating jerk chicken. Xavier went on the road and bought it because I was putting his head down to sleep. I didn't have to do anything to just go straight to sleep because she's tired. So I'm eating jerk chicken and drinking a splash. It's sweet, sweet bad. But anyway, that is it for the night. I'm mega watch something. And then we'll soon back tomorrow. Cause I want to go Mark Bay to get some seasoning and stuff for bring home because as I said this is not a long trip, we're just here for a funeral. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day and we're about to go on the road, but look. It's been raining all morning. And the car they down there so I needed to wear one slippers because I never realized that the rain so hard. So Xavier gone back for my shoes, so I wait till him come back so I can put it on so we can him can go down there so for the car carry it up here so we can go in there. But that's it. We're gonna try to get something to eat and then I want to go Mark there and get some seasoning to bring home and then we're gonna go at the night later another night.
Welcome to your boy then, you know, boy is up there.
No, grazie, lasci quello come andiamo, faccio. Hey, dai, ciao.
Hey guys, so we are at the graveside where the burial is happening tomorrow. They're still doing some like final touches on the grave. So that's why you're in that background and them they talk and drink. So I'm still in another car because Zaya she just run up and down. So I can't really control her. So I'm still in the car now because I'm gonna try post the video right now. And so I can make one different video because more make as much video as I can. So stay tuned for the video. No, well, I don't think I had much in there. Just when we are come home and guys, after I come home, after we reach, let me say home. After we reach, we then I hang out with my brother them and well one of my brother, and then get the jerk chicken. That was like after 10 another night. Last night Xavier got dance. Stone Love did I keep and go. We'd have to see with Zaya, of course. Now nobody for watch her, everybody got to dance except me and Zaya. So stay tuned for the video. Well, not stay tuned for the video because I'm ending this video right now. It's just a little video. Ending it right now and so I can start one different video. Because I go Mark Bay to get some seasoning or something.